Welcome guys once again. So in this lecture we'll see different method of string. Okay, so let's go ahead. So last thing what we have discussed is we have discussed double equals to method, dot equals to method, and compare to method. Okay, so if like s1 is greater than s2 it will return negative, s1 is greater than s2 it will return positive, and if s1 is less than s2 then it will return negative. Okay, and if both are same it will return 0. So here I'll just write for your reference, if s1 is less than s2 then it will return negative value. Okay, and if s1 is greater than s2 then it will return positive. That's all. So let's go for the string methods. String method, string method test simple. So string class is having multiple method inside it. We need to create object and call it, right? So we'll see what are the different method we have in a string. Okay, so we need first main method. So we have already seen dot equals and double equals and compare to. Okay, so in this lecture we'll see few more methods. So we'll create a string object s1 is equal to, we'll write suppose Pankaj. Okay, so if I want to check the length of this string, how we can check? So I'll just write, so s1 dot length. Okay, s1 dot length. So what it will return, just see. So it will return 6, means this length of a string, array of a string already. So a string is nothing but it is a character of string, right? Means char array, sequence of character. A string is nothing but sequence of character. So how many element is there? So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So length is what? 6. Okay, so you can check the length by using s1 dot length. Okay, now we have method called s1 dot to uppercase. What it will do, it will convert all the cases in uppercase. Okay, all the alphabets in uppercase. Okay, so it'll print and we'll see all are becoming what? Uppercase. Since even a, n, k, a, j is lowercase, also it is converting in uppercase. Similarly, we have some method called s1 dot to lowercase. What it will convert? It will convert in lowercase. So all the alphabets will become, all the character will become lowercase. Okay, so this is. Then we have method called split or char at. Okay, let's see what is char at. Okay, so we have method called char at. So if you want, so s1 dot, we have method called char at. Char at, you have to pass the index. So index always will pass like this array, and you can pass 0 1 2 3 4 5. So if you'll see in this array what we have index, so 0 1 2 3 4 5. So if I want at first 0 index, what is there? So I'll just pass 0. Okay, I'll just pass 0, just give me 1 minute. So I think directly you can pass. Perfect. So 0 index you have to pass. So always if you are confused, so just what you'll do, I'll just give you one good suggestion. So s1 dot char at. So if you see this method, so it will be what? Char at int index. You have to pass index here in this one. Okay, in open and close. That's all. You don't have to give bracket. So that's what. Okay, so 0 directly I can pass. So if I'll pass, I'll get at 0 index what is there? So p is there. Okay, so I'll just print it for clarification and better visibility. Okay, so element at 0th index. Okay, so at 0th index what is element? So I'll print it. So I'm passing 0. So let's see what is the element. Okay, so element at 0th index is what? P. Since p is there, if I'll give here 1, so I'll get 1 first index, whatever will be there, first element. So I'll get this output as so first element is there, what? A is there. Okay, so at first index, so this is 0p, this a is what? At first index, so I'm getting a. So you can check the index wise also. Okay, then if suppose I have one more string called string s2 is equal to, okay, I'll have some like I love my country, simple. So if I want to convert it into, you know, string, this is already string, but I want to convert into string array, okay, or I want to split one by one, okay. So how to split it? I want one by one, I love you my country, okay, one by one. So how we can do it? So we have again one method called split. You can split the word one by one, okay. So we have method called split. So I'll do this. So s2 dot, we have method called split, and this is regex. It will ask by what thing you want to split. So I'll give, I want, whenever it will be a space, just split it. So whenever there will be a space, just split it. So here a space will be there, it will split. Here a space will be there, it will split. Here a space will be there, it will split. Okay. So after splitting, what it will return? Okay. So again, one more point I'll try to explain. So once you'll write split method, so if you see, it will return string array. It's very important for, you know, basic. So it will return a string array. So I'll just take it forward. So I'll split by using you know, space. Now it will return a string array. So I want to hold this, so I need one string array, some reference arr is equal to this. So now I have splitted successfully this one by using this method, and I have hold with this string array. So this array will be containing what? I love my country, simple. Now I want to iterate one by one. So I'll just take any loop, for each loop. So let's see for each loop, because it is, you know, a string array. Okay, for array always it will be very easy for a string for each loop. So I am taking any reference variable and array I want to iterate. Okay, so I'll just write it down, something called what it will iterate is string, right? So I'll just print it here. Perfect. So if I'll now print, so it will print one by one, I love my country, okay, because I'm iterating. See, I love my country, okay. So now in string array or array concept, in both they will ask multiple interview question, like programming question. So programming, you can go and prepare multiple website is there for preparing the programs, okay. So you just search for interview program, okay, or I'll be giving this. If you want that, just ping me or just email me, I'll send you all the program and their answer, okay. So you can go through and practice as much as possible. They'll ask, okay, reverse this string, reverse this sentence, reverse the sentence as well as that word, okay. So it might be any format. So if you know the basic concept, you will be able to answer and you will be able to program that thing, okay. So that's all about this lecture, okay. So we'll see in the next, okay. So thank you for watching.